For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. The Axie Infinity game isn't the only one seeing serious activity. Throughout 2021, the cost of Axie Infinity shards, AXS, soared from a little more than 50 pennies in January to $160 in November. Axie Infinity is a blockchain game that permits players to procure digital money by engaging characters called Axies and exchanging them on its non-fungible token, NFT, commercial center. Players are compensated for winning fights with two tokens, Smooth Love Potion, SLP, and Axie Infinity shards, AXS. AXS is the more uncommon and more expensive of the two, it additionally saw its cost shoot up a year ago. With customary games, designers will refresh their undertakings to expand the quantity of players and keep up with current clients. In any case, Axie Infinity's updates have demonstrated to have more worth, as AXS has much of the time seen bullish patterns after such overhauls. Axie Infinity has as of late sent off its next significant update, under the name Origins, with upgrades to ongoing interaction and UI. Nonetheless, it is just barely recuperating from a $625 million hack in March 2022, and the AXS cost shows it. From the AXS white paper. The Axie Infinity shards $AXS white paper states. Axie Infinity shards, AXS, are an ERC-20 administration token for the Axie universe. AXS holders will actually want to guarantee rewards in the event that they stake their tokens, play the game, and partake in key administration votes. Players can likewise procure $AXS when they play different games inside the Axie Infinity universe and through client-produced content drives. According to the site, the objective of Axie Infinity shards is to adjust the impetuses between the players of the game and the designers in novel and energizing ways. In the interim, the Axie Infinity game has gathered more than 956.3k supporters on Twitter and 104k individuals on Reddit. Prior to jumping into what's on the horizon for the crypto game token, how about we check out at its cost history? AXS bullish cost history. The initial 3 months of 2021 were genuinely ordinary for the AXS cost, with the token not going a lot farther than the $2 mark. AXS saw a spike in April 2021 as the game relocated from Ethereum to Ronin, an Ethereum-connected sidechain made explicitly for Axie Infinity, consider it a blockchain inside a blockchain. Since April, Axies have been reproduced, traded on Ronin. AXS interactivity rewards are additionally guaranteed on the sidechain. Ronin has permitted Sky Mavis, the organization behind the Axie Infinity game, to guide the heading of the item, and the relocation carried with it numerous rewards for players. It has radically decreased gas charges and improved on the cycle for new clients. It has likewise given players 100 free commercial center activities every day. Thusly, the AXS cost saw a lift after the blockchain movement, coming to $10.85 on 28 April 2021. The value plunged to around the $4 mark in May and June 2021, yet mobilized by over 100% toward July's end. The July update from the Sky Mavis group uncovered that it arrived at 800,000 everyday dynamic clients and was the main NFT item by 30-day volume, with deals above $600 million. The update likewise reported content for an undertaking mode in which players fight against the PCAI, as well as an update to land, a framework by which players can purchase plots of land in the game, utilizing the commercial center. The AXS cost saw an underlying spike on 15 July, coming to $23.96. The bullish pattern then, at that point, went on all through the remainder of the month, soaring to above $40 on 31 July 2021. SLP consumed to make rewards more uncommon. The energy of the AXS cost carried on into August. Sky Mavis observed that SLP, Axie Infinity's other crypto token, was on an inflationary direction for each 5 SLPs created, only one was singed. Subsequently, the game studio refreshed Axie Infinity to make SLP remunerates a lot more extraordinary. On 10 August 2021, the day the new update went live, the AXS cost expanded from $43.71 to $64.05. The cost continued to ascend until the end of the month and came to $72.20 on 31 August 2021. September saw one more significant update to the Axie Infinity biological system. The marking highlight went live on 30 September, permitting clients to stake their AXS tokens. Through marking AXS, clients are given AXS awards, as well as casting a ballot rights on the eventual fate of the game. The democratic privileges give clients a say on the local area depository, a record that presently holds $2.7 billion worth of AXS. This update pushed the AXS past the $100 mark, as it gave clients motivation to be involved as long as possible. The cost hopped from $74.51 on 30 September 2021 to $110.54 on 1 October. The bullish pattern didn't end for the following couple of months. Toward the beginning of November, Sky Mavis sent off Katana, a decentralized trade for Ronin. At send-off, clients had the option to exchange between AXS, SLP, United States Dollars Coin, USDC, and Wrapped Ether, WETH. Katana was worked to make Axie Infinity and the ensuing tokens more straightforward to utilize and more affordable. It demonstrated a triumph on 5 November 2021, the day after it sent off, the cost outperformed the $150 mark. On 7 November 2021, the cost arrived at an untouched high of $160.36, however it has since fallen after new examination uncovered that the Axie Infinity game might be losing its client base. As per player count, 41% of Axie Infinity players are situated in the Philippines. In any case, research from Novik found that since September, full-time players have begun acquiring not exactly the Philippines' day-to-day normal pay. The cost fell beneath $150, and on 16 November 2021, the cost was drifting around the $133 mark. On 24 November 2021, the well-known metaverse game sold a computerized plot for 500 ETH. Axie Infinity has affirmed that this is the greatest cost at this point paid for a computerized plot of land in the metaverse. Bank of America additionally offered bullish expressions with respect to the monstrous open door introduced by the metaverse, and by 3 December 2021, some recuperation had been made, and the token was esteemed at around $141. The value kept on surrendering to the bears, and on 25 January 2022, the Axie Infinity cost saw lows of $49.58. From that point forward, nonetheless, the coin has been on